Hello friends, I am Karthik, a trader in stock market. In this video we are going to see Nifty option chain analysis for 10th June 2021. So before going on to video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and never miss any update. A small disclaimer. So I have taken the Nifty option chain as of 9th June 2021. Okay, and the market closed at 15,635.35, and I have taken the weekly option chain which will be expiring on 10th June 2021, that is tomorrow. Okay, so here, so first we are going to see the call side. So in the call side, first we have open interest, change in open interest, volume, LTP and change, and this is the strike price. Okay, call always represents the resistance. Okay, on the right hand side we have puts data, and this is the open interest, change in open interest, volume, LTP and change. This is the strike price. Okay, and put always represents the support for Nifty. Okay, so first we will be analyzing the resistance side. Okay, since the market closed at 15,635.35, so the range where it comes between 15,600 to 15,650. Okay, so this is the range. Okay, and our first resistance comes at 15,700. okay, and the volume is, comparatively yesterday, the volumes today are very huge. Okay, the volumes is 12,87,636, and change in open interest is also 63,692. okay, this is our first resistance. Okay, and I have placed my second resistance at 15,800. okay, and the value, the volumes value is 15,85,182. okay, and the change in open interest is very high, 71,841. so I have placed this as a second resistance, and it is huge. Okay, and the third resistance where it comes is 15,900, and the volume here is 8,75,332, and open interest is 42,776. so I have placed this one at third resistance. Okay, and also we have we can consider this 16,000 as fourth resistance, but I have not highlighted it because since the expiry date is tomorrow, and in one day the market will not increase 300 points and 400 points. okay, it happens very rare, but I don't think so tomorrow it will happen. Okay, so only I have ignored this 16,000. okay, but the thing you should not forget is the open interest is very high. This is 68,000. okay, 68,040. so it might not impact tomorrow's market, but the going forward, that is the next week market, we might have something towards this 16,000. okay, so this is all about resistance. okay, when it comes to support side, okay, when it comes to support size, we have first support at 15,600. okay, 15,600 I have highlighted as first support, and the volume is 11,76,850. okay, and the open interest is also 41,908. so this will be our first support. okay, and when it comes to second support, we have 15,500, and the volumes is 8,530,575. okay, and the open interest is at 45,791, and the resistance support, this will be our second support. okay, and the third support comes at 15,400, and the volumes here we don't have that much volume. It is 4 lakh, but still okay. But the open interest is 34,436. Okay, so this will be our support. Okay, so the things which we need to highlight is, see, when it comes to resistance, we have first resistance at 15,700, second resistance at 15,800. Okay, but the thing you should remember is 15,700 to 15,800 we have more volumes. Okay, you can say it's almost 30, almost you can say it as 40 lakhs. Okay, it's almost 40 lakhs contract. So 40 lakhs contract, plus you have here 8 lakhs, and here also you have 8 lakhs, and here you have 3 lakhs. So it's a clear indication that the market will be in increasing trend only. Okay, that means there is a chances that market might increase further, but tomorrow we cannot predict. Why? Because we have a support also like that only, that is at 15,700 we have a huge contracts at put side, and again it's 15,650 also we have 6 lakh contracts. Then we have 15,600 at we have 11 lakh 76,850 contracts. Okay, so here also we have a huge volume. Okay, and today the market went up, opened in a positive manner and went till positive 70 points. Okay, it went positive 70 points and it gone down till minus 180 point. Okay, it went minus 180 point and it closed at almost minus 100 points. Okay, that means you can see how much buying and selling pressure is there in the market. Okay, so this 15,700 and 15,650 is acting as a major support as well as major resistance in the market. Okay, so tomorrow also the market, you can see it in sideways only. Sideways in the sense the market will increase in the first half and in the second half it might decrease, or else in the first half it might decrease and in the second half it might increase. Okay, you cannot predict tomorrow's market, damn sure, because tomorrow is also, it's an expiry day. Okay, so this will be our crucial. So 15,600 to 15,700 will be our crucial. But in case if the market breaks this range, that is if it increases, it might reach 15,800. So 15,700 to 15,750, this range it might go. Okay, so 15,700 to 800 it will be high. Okay, but in case if market goes in one direction, so you can see chances of market breaching 15,600 also. So if it breaches 15,600 tomorrow, so 15,500 will be the first support. Okay, so as per my conclusion, so tomorrow the market will be again in the sideways and it will be between 15,600 to 15,700. Okay, but in tomorrow's expiry it will be sideways, but in case if it is not sideways, the market might see positive 30 to 50 points, because positive 50 points. Okay, so it might increase to either sideways. Okay, the market will be in sideways. Okay, market will be in sideways, or it might go positive 30 points, 30 to 50 points. Okay, falling of market I won't feel that it might happen tomorrow. Okay, it will be positive 30 to 50 points. Okay, and and please remember this point: stock market is always driven by news, either positive news or negative news. Once there is a positive news, the market might go in green. If there is a negative news, market might go in red. It always depends on the news. And please do your own research before investing in stock market, and be cautious while trading in weekly expiry, especially weekly expiry, because weekly expiry is, you cannot predict, anything can happen at any time. Okay, that's all.